What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Dogecoin because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy, and this is looking really similar as this previous pump in which we almost hit the $1 mark. So if you are interested about the exact price that I think Dogecoin is gonna hit in this current pump, and also if you are interested about the exact setups that I'm currently watching here, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. In my trading group, where I am sharing all of my trades, we opened a long position on this exact level. You can see that from this level we had here an absolutely amazing pump, and right now you can see the exact signal that I post into my group and also the exact profit that I made on this trade. And right now our position is fully closed, but if we will do here another exact setups that I'm currently waiting for, I will be definitely opening here another long trade, because as I said, in my opinion, this pump is definitely far from over, and if certain conditions that I'm waiting for will be met, I will be opening another trade. And if you want to know about the exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely, as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing analysis on the coins that I'm watching every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. First setup that I will show you is on the 1 hour chart. Here we are forming this triangle, and because we are forming this triangle after a huge pump, this is a bullish setup. So if we will see here breakout with a support confirmation, this can be first interesting long opportunity. This is actually similar setup like we trade in the trade that I showed you, but this time we don't have here an interesting bullish order block, so there is slightly lower probability, but still, if we will do here a breakout with a support confirmation, the support confirmation is extremely important. I will be thinking about another long trade. My last take profit target, in this case, I want to place slightly above $0.5 mark, because if we are gonna test this area, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna do here a liquidity grab, because 0.5 will be next important psychological resistance. Then some of the profits I definitely want to take like under this previous high, 0.48, and then I want to save some back to my last take profit target. Potential stop loss, I want to have, let's say, around 3 to 6 to like 4%, something like that. You simply want to place your stop loss back to this triangle, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit target is like 34 to let's say 37% in profit, something like that. The risk reward ratio should be around 10. So if you will take like multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio will be in the end like 7.2, something like that, which is, in my opinion, absolutely amazing setup. If you think this coin is overbought and you want to short it, which I'm definitely not recommend doing, then you can trade your breakdown with a resistance confirmation of this triangle. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So entry again back to this triangle, because yeah, if there will be support confirmation, again the coin is probably going up, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And your last take profit targets you want to place under this bullish order block, which is between level 0.2830 and 0.2755, which will give you potential risk to reward up to 7.05. Again, you want to take multiple take profit targets, so in the end the risk reward ratio is going to be like more like 4.8, something like that, which is a good setup, or like good risk reward ratio for a short trade. But me personally, I don't want to short like coins that are pumping hundreds of percent in the few days. Next possible setup that I'm watching here is associated with this bullish order block. So if we are gonna retest this area with a liquidity grip and then a support confirmation, I want to open here a long trade. This is the main reason why I am placing my last take profit target from this potential short trade under this bullish order block, because with the long trade I'm waiting here for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation. Right now there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna retest this area, but if we will, and there will be the fake out with a support confirmation, as I said, I want to open here a long trade. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, so let's assume it will be like 4.5% of a net market, and your last take profit target. You can, for example, place under the current high, or you can place it slightly above that $0.5 mark, which I said will be next important, especially psychological resistance. So risk reward ratio in this trade is going to be like 18.27, which is absolutely insane. So even if you will take multiple take profit targets, so for example, some of the profits you will take like under this previous lows, then under this previous lows, this high, and then you want to save some back to a last take profit target, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 13, 14, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. So if there will be a drop which will have, let's say, around 30%, 29 of a net market, then I highly recommend you to watch this setup. And if you don't want to miss out on these setups, then as I said, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if you are looking for opening some long position on the higher time frame, then right now we are above this massive bearish order block on a weekly time frame. And if there will be a support confirmation on the weekly time frame, then this can be a good long opportunity. The only problem with this setup is that there is no good risk reward ratio, because stop loss in this case you need to place under this bearish order block. So even if you will speculate for a $1 mark, which I think right now there is pretty high probability that in the upcoming bull market Dogecoin can actually hit it, then your risk reward ratio is going to be like only 4.73 in case of a perfect support confirmation. If the support confirmation will happen, for example, somewhere around here, then the risk reward ratio is going to be like 3.1. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, well, then this trade is not gonna be that great. But if you want, this is another setup that you can take. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Definitely let me know in the comments what are the exact prices that you think Dogecoin is gonna hit in this bull market. And if you like this analysis, I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to my YouTube channel. But yeah, this will be all for me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.